The midday sun flattens and beats the shore dwellers into white-hot stasis. Above the empty flagstaff, leaden flecks in the efflorescent clouds promise a rainstorm to the sea bathers below. An ancient watchtower crumbles into the dark sands, persisting stairs now home to verdant, salt-nourished moss and Adonic sunbathing nudes. In the soft impression of an iridescent earthen oasis lounge the sentinels of the shore, reverse sirens of serenum scapulae. They'll not let the aquanauts stray from the shallows. The pastel ladies, coifs and coils burnished to bright copper, poise with needlepoint and parasol. Corseted by the heat, sweat runs through sailcloth petticoats and stockings. One shades her eyes with a pale hand, her hat nor parasol will do for the task. Concealed among the strokes of cicative oil and pigment, children pick flowers, once Tyrian silk, now faded to soft pink by the bleaching sun. The rumpled parasol lady steals a long glance to the unbound waters past the soil sands, shielded by her shading hand, and weaves a strategy to continue her Sarinic calling, where the brave seafarers are haloed with fizzling sea foam, and bodies are freed from encasing civility.